Is given square root of 25 divided by square root of 10 minus square root of 5 to the whole power 10. So we have to find out the value of this one. How we can find out the value of this one? Let's see solution. Square root of 25 divided by square root of 10 minus square root of 5 to the whole power 10. This is question, right? Is equal to, so here we can do, this is square root of 25, so this 25 we can write 5 times 5, so here we can write this one square root of 5 times 5, 5 5 is 25 divided by square root of 10, so this 10 we can write square root of 5 times 2, 5 2 is 10 minus square root of 5 to the whole power 10 is equal to, now we can here write this one square root of 5 times square root of 5. We can separate this term because we know that square root of a times b is equal to, we can write square root of a times square root of b divided by square root of 5 times square root of 2 minus square root of 5 to the whole power 10 is equal to, now square root of 5 times square root of 5 divided by, here square root of 5 times square root of 2 minus square root of 5, so we can take square root of 5 common here, we are taking common square root of 5, so left term that is square root of 2 minus 1, 2 minus 1 to the whole power 10, right? Now square root of 5 cancel from square root of 5, so left term here we will get square root of 5 divided by square root of 2 minus 1, right? Square root of 2 minus 1 to the whole power 10 now is equal to, this is square root of 5 and this is square root of 2 minus 1, so we know one formula, if a upon b to the whole power 10 is given, so we can write this one is equal to a power 10 divided by b power 10, this is formula. So using this formula we can write here square root of 5 to the power 10 divided by square root of 2 minus 1 to the whole power 10, right? Now square root of 5 to the power 10, this one, so is equal to, we can write this is square root of 5, so we know that square root of 5 is equal to 5 power 1 by 2, we can write this one, so here 5 power 1 by 2 to the whole power 10, this one, divided by square root of 2 minus 1 to the whole power 10. Now here 1 upon 2 to the power 10, so we can cancel this one, 2 5 is 10, right? So here we will get 5 power 5 divided by square root of 2 minus 1 to the whole power 10. Now here is equal to, we can write this one 5 power 5 divided by square root of 2 minus 1 to the whole power 10. Now 5 power 5, so value of 5 power 5 is equal to, we can write this one 3125, when we are multiplying 5 times we will get this number 3125 divided by square root of 2 minus 1 to the whole power 10. So here if we are getting this one square root of 2 minus 1 to the power 10, so we can simplify this easily, right? So first we have to consider this one to solve easily, so we can here consider, let's consider this one, square root of 2 minus 1 is equal to x, right? So we can say square root of 2 minus 1 to the whole power 10 is equal to x power 10. So we can say if we are getting value of x power 10 here, so we can simplify easily this one. So we have to find out the value of x power 10 here, right? For this one, for denominator. So here x is equal to square root of 2 minus 1, right? So here x plus 1, this one, x plus 1 is equal to square root of 2. Here x plus 1 is equal to square root of 2. So we can say, we can take here square to cancel this square root, right? So x plus 1 whole square is equal to square root of 2 to the whole square. Here x plus 1 whole square. Now we are using formula here. So value of x plus 1 whole square is x square plus 2x plus 1 is equal to, square is cancelled from square root. So it will become 2 here. Now x square plus 2x is equal to 2 minus 1, right? Now x square plus 2x is equal to 2 minus 1, so it will become here 1. So we can say value of x square. Value of x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we got here one equation, value of x square. So value of x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. So you can consider this is equation number 1. So this is x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we can say, if we are taking again a square on both sides, so we will get here x square to the whole square, right, is equal to 1 minus 2x to the whole square. We are taking square on both sides here. So it will become x power 4, 2 2s are 4, x power 4 is equal to, now again a minus b whole square formula. So a square, that is 1 square, you can say 1 minus 2 times 1 times 2x, right, plus b square, that is 2x, so 2x whole square. Now x power 4 is equal to 1 square, that is 1 minus 2 2s are 4x, 1 minus 4x plus 2 2s are 4, 2 square, 2 square, that is 4x square, so it will become here 4x square. Now x power 4 is equal to 1 minus 4x plus 4 and here x square. So value of x square according to equation 1, whatever we got here, that is x square is equal to 1 minus 2x. So we have to substitute this value x square is equal to 1 minus 2x here. So we can write this one 1 minus 2x, right? This is the value of x square. Now x power 4 is equal to 1 minus 4x plus 4 1s are 4 minus 4 2s are 8 minus 8x, right? Now x power 4 is equal to, here 1 minus 4x minus 8x, 8 minus means minus 4 minus 8, it will become minus 12. So 1 minus 12x plus 4. Now x power 4 is equal to 1 plus 4, that is 5 minus 12x. This is the value of x power 4. So we got here value of x power 4 is equal to 5 minus 12x. Now we have to again we have to take a square of this number. So we can say we have to take a square on both side here. So again we can take a square here. So x power 4 whole square is equal to 5 minus 12x to the whole square. Now x power 4 to the power 2, so it will become 4 2s are 8, right? So x power 8 is equal to, now here a minus b whole square formula. So a square, that is 5, so 5 square minus 2 times 5 times 12x plus 12x whole square, this is b, so b square. Now x power 8 is equal to 5 square is 25 minus 5 2s are 10 and here 12. So 12 times 10, it will become 120, right? So 120x plus 12 square, that is 144 x square. Now x power 8 is equal to, here 25 minus 120x plus 144 x square. So we can write this 125 minus 120x plus 144 and we have already value of x square according to equation 1, that is 1 minus 2x. So we have to substitute that value here. 1 x square is equal to 1 minus 2x, right? So we can say this will become x power 8 is equal to 25 minus 120x plus 144 times 1, so 144 minus 144 times 2, so it will become 288. 4 2 8, 4 2 8, and 2 1 2 x, right? Here x. So we can say x power 8 is equal to, when we are adding this term, so here 144 and here 25, so 5 plus 4 9, and here 4 plus 2 is 6 plus here it will become 6, right? And this is 1, so 169 minus here 120x minus 120x and minus 288x, so we have to add this one, so we will get here minus 408x 408x. Now x power 2 here, right? So we have to find out the value of x power 10, and this is x power 8, so we can multiply here by x power 2, so we will get x power 10, right? So x square times x power 8 is equal to, we have to multiply both sides by x square because we have to find out the value of x power 10, so it will become here 169 minus 408x to the, means multiply by x square, because we have to multiply both sides by x square. Now x power 2 times x power 8, so we know the formula a power m times a power n is equal to a power m plus n, so it will become here x power 2 plus 8 is 10, x power 10 is equal to, here x square times 169 minus 408x, right? This is the value of x power 10. Now we have to simplify this one, but we already know that value of x square we already got in equation 1, so we have to substitute that value here, that is 1 minus 2x. Now here x power 10 is equal to value of x square, that is 1 minus 2x, so 1 minus 2x times 169 minus 408x, right? Now x power 10 is equal to, now we have to multiply here, so 1 times 169, so it will become 169, and here 1 times 408x, so it will become minus 408x. Now here minus 2x times 169, so it will become minus 338x plus minus minus plus 2 times 408x, so it will become here 816, and here x and this is x, so it will become x square, right? Now x power 10 is equal to 169 minus, now we have to add this term, so 408 and here 338x, so we have to add 8 plus 8 is 16, so it will become here 6, and here 3 plus 1 is 4, and it will become here 7, right? 4 plus 3 7, so minus 746x, because this is x term, plus 816 x square. Now x power 10 is equal to 169 minus 746x plus 816, and again here x square, so value of x square is equal to 1 minus 2x, 1 minus 2x according to equation 1. So x power 10 is equal to 169 minus 746x plus, here now we have to multiply, so 816 times 1 it will become 816, and minus, because minus plus minus minus, so 816 times 2, so we will get here 1632x when we are multiplying this term. So we can say value of x power 10 is equal to, now here 169 plus 816, when we are adding this term we will get here 985 minus 746x and minus 1632x. We have to add this term. So we will get here 2378x, right? 985 minus 2378x. This is the value of x power 10. But there is one thing. X is equal to, we already considered that, square root of 2 minus 1, right? So we can say x power 10 is equal to 985 minus 2378, and value of x is square root of 2 minus 1. So multiply by square root of 2 minus 1 here. Now x power 10 is equal to 985 minus, when we are multiplying this term, we will get here 2378 square root of 2 plus, here minus minus plus, right? So 2378 times 1, it will become 2378. Now we can say x power 10 is equal to, here it will become, because we have to add this term, 985 plus 2378. So it will become here 3363 minus 2000, this one 2378 square root of 2. Now x power 10, actually x power 10 is, this is the square root of 2 minus 1 to the whole power 10. We can say this one because we already considered that x is equal to square root of 2 minus 1, and x power 10 is equal to square root of 2 minus 1 to the whole power 10, right? So is equal to, we can say, we got this value 3363 minus 2378 square root of 2. So we can say square root of 25, our main question, that is square root of 25 divided by square root of 10 minus square root of 5 to the whole power 10 is equal to, value of square root of 25 to the whole power 10. So it will here 3125, and here square root of 2 minus 1 to the whole power 10. So is equal to, we can say, it will become here 3125 divided by value of square root of 2 minus 1 to the power 10 is equal to 3363 minus 2378 square root of 2. And this is the solution for this equation. This is the solution. Thank you.